Welcome to this video. I am Prithvi Kishan from MATLAB Helper, and in this video we are going to visualize electromagnetic waves in 3 dimensions in MATLAB as a part of our Fun with MATLAB series. This is the MATLAB code to visualize electromagnetic waves in 3 dimensions. Initially, we initialize a vector t to have values from 0 to 2 pi with increments of 0.05. Then we initialize the constants of the standard EM wave equations, which include phi, which is the phase angle, which is equal to pi in our program. Then we have Emax and Bmax, which are the maximum values of the electric field and magnetic field respectively. Omega, which is the angular frequency, has a value of 4, and lambda, which is the wavelength of the electromagnetic wave, is set to 4000. Also, we know that the electric field, the magnetic field and the wave propagation are in mutually perpendicular direction. So if we consider the electric field to be the y direction having the standard form Emax equal to cos omega t minus 2 pi by lambda plus phi, then the magnetic field in the z direction, which is given by Bz equals Bmax cos omega t minus 2 pi by lambda plus phi, then the cross product of the y and z direction gives the wave propagation direction, which is the x direction. We then create 3 animated lines, each representing one direction in 3-dimensional space. We then set the x-axis such that x is ranging from 0 to 2 pi, y ranges from minus 2 to 2, and z is from 3 to 3. We then use for loop to add points to the animated line in each direction. The x line has values in x direction as a function of t. The y line has the values in y direction as a function of the electric field, and the z line has values in the z direction as a function of the magnetic field. We can finally run and see the electromagnetic wave. Okay, in this 3D plot, we see that the red line, which represents the electric field, is a function of the y-axis. The blue line, which indicates the magnetic field, is a function of the z-axis. And finally, we can see that the result of both leads to the wave propagation in the x-axis as seen in this green line. Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video if you found it helpful. Let us know which video you want next by typing it in the comment section. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future, MATLAB is our future. Happy MATLABing!